In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Ranger Crystals fast in Anime Rangers X in Roblox. So over here, there's actually two of the best ways that I could find, and I think that's the only ways you can actually get them. So the first one is via going to challenges. Now let me just find challenges for you over here. So there's the shop, there we go, there's the challenges. Now, if you go into challenges, you have quite a good chance to actually get the Ranger's Crystals fast. Now, not every single challenge will give you Ranger Crystals. As you can see, there's now the Limited Towers Challenge, Chapter 5, doesn't give any Ranger Crystals, but there's some specific challenges that will give you Ranger Crystals as well. So, some of them will give you a lot of Ranger Crystals, the other ones won't give you any, and some will give you just a little. So make sure you pick those challenges which actually do give you Ranger Crystals, and then of course the harder the challenge, the more you will get. Now that's the first way, but there's actually a second way as well, which is a bit more easier than have to complete any challenge, and that is by going up here to the shop and then to the merchant. Now merchant sometimes actually does sell Ranger Crystals. Now let's take a look. There we go. As you can see at this current moment, he has 5 Ranger Crystals in store, so you could get them for 1,785 of these crystals over here. And then after you do that, of course, you'll be able to get them. Now, this will refresh. The shop will reset every single hour, so every 60 minutes. Make sure to keep on coming back every 60 minutes and see if he has any more Ranger Crystals in store. If he does, of course, you can just buy them in case you have enough of the in-game currency you need to actually get these. Now, those are the two ways of getting them. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.